What is going on, everyone? Brand new to the store for 2026 here. This is the brand new Daiwa Steez SV Lite TW. This reel right here is going to be the flagship power finesse reel from Daiwa USA here. This guy right here is really going to be that top of the line BFS reel that has all the bells and whistles that you're missing out on with your current reels. So we're going to be talking about this and how you can get it as one of the first ones in the US to get them. Now, the Steez SV Lite TW is going to come in two different gear ratios. It's going to come in the XH and XXH. Now, XXH, for those of you not familiar, are going to be 9 speeds, coming in at 9.2 to 1 gear ratio. This thing is wicked quick. Now, the way to get these, along with all the new products from Evergreen and Daiwa, is going to be showing up to the FishxHunt Show in Waco. This is going to be in conjunction with the Bass Pro Tour. That's going to be fishing Lake Whitney and Lake Waco. So it's going to be the 7th and 8th. We're going to be there both days, and I definitely want y'all to show up. Check out the Steez SV Lights here, as well as the brand new 2026 Elite Tatula Elite, as well as the Tatula Elite flip and pitch reels, or pitch and flip reels. They are extremely amazing. We're going to have show specials for y'all, so make sure to stop on by. Right now, I've got this SV Lite here paired up with the Steez BFS rod, a 6'8" rod. This is a 5-piece rod, so easy breakdown and just a marvelous combo. I got it paired up with 10-pound fluorocarbon, got a little 1/8 ounce chatterbait on here. This is a killer, guys. You're definitely going to want to check this out at the show. We're also going to be having the brand new Ryoga 100 and 150 at that show, along with some evergreen baits like the Lucy little curly tail worm. It's like, I think it's like 3.5, maybe 4 inches. It is an absolute killer. So make sure to stop on by the FishxHunt Show in Waco, Texas, March 7th and 8th, coming up very soon. I'm going to be setting up Friday in the Waco area. So if you are local to that area and you've got some killer ponds or maybe a private pond, hit me up. I'd love to go out there with you, show you some of the really cool stuff that we're bringing down. And yeah, for 2026, guys, brand new products are going to be showcasing at the FishxHunt Show in Waco. Steez, Ryoga, bunch more cool stuff, Tatula, Daiwa product, show specials, whole gambit of things. Just make sure to check it out. So guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. See ya.